everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am still going to do an unboxing for you, but I'm going to do not a craft unboxing, but instead a Disney Magic at Your Door unboxing. Something near and dear to my heart is Disney. Those of you that know me know that I'm a Disney fanatic, to say the least. So I do get these monthly boxes ever since I moved away from Florida, just to bring a little piece of home to me here in Texas while we're here working. So this month is kind of sort of Lion King themed. They did tell us that there's one product, excuse me, there's one product that was supposed to be huge for this box and unfortunately just wasn't available in time. So we're going to get it in next month's box, but I love the picture this month. This is Dude. He is the mascot of Magic at Your Door, and this month he is dressed as Rafiki from The Lion King. So super cute box. It does also say Magic at Your Door, Jen Kelly, let the magic begin. So I'm very excited. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side a little bit, just so that I can show you. So first up is a newsletter. So they do give us newsletter. It has the prices, so you know prices change a lot at the Disney parks, so they usually go by color. So all they have to do is switch out the color charts whenever prices go up. I doubt they ever go down, but whenever prices go up. So he sends us the updated price sheet so that we know approximate value of what's inside. I don't ever add it up, but I'm sure you get way more than what you pay for. This box is, I believe, $99 for the shipping in the US. So, or $99.99, something like that. I'm grandfathered in at, I believe, the $89 price. So they also do specials. I have a Halloween box coming next month, or October. So super excited for that, as well as a Christmas box. So they do special offers like that where you can buy additional boxes. I may skip my normal boxes that month, but we'll see. So in here it's got important Lion King product updates. So this is just where he's saying, sorry, the item we ordered is temporarily stuck in customs and will not arrive in time for your August Magic box. Didn't want us to wait any longer since it was almost the end of August, so went ahead and sent it and said our apologies, but it'll be in your September box. Sorry for the inconvenience, but it's definitely worth the wait. I am one of those people that should be getting this item, I believe. So super excited to see what that is. Definitely can't skip my September box because I've got to get that product. But let's check out what they did include for us. It's always amazing. So first up is a lot of confetti. A lot of confetti. So, and then let's see what this is. Oh yeah! So this is a super adorable, super cute, look at that, Eeyore mug. I have a cabinet full of Disney mugs from when we lived there, and when we lived in Florida, and I have one thing written on, I have a couple things written on it, but one thing written in my preferences, sorry, got a little tongue-tied, one thing written in my preferences is no mugs, with the exception of anything Eeyore. Like I said, anything Eeyore. So this is a super cute mug. Look inside, you can actually get in the little crevices. Super cute Eeyore mug. The bottom says it's $16.95, so definitely in love with that. Let's do this. Let's get rid of some of this confetti and put him right there. Okay, next up, oh, it's the famous silver pouch, which we will put off to the side and open that last. Hakuna Matata. So a Lion King t-shirt. This is adorable. Notepad with magnet. So magnetic notepad. So it's just a t-shirt. This says Hakuna Matata on it. Definitely part of the Lion King theme. It's a Ufufy. This is Daisy, and it smells like apple blossoms. Yep, smells like apple blossoms. I love these little Ufufys. I have these little smaller ones that are in sets of 2, so this will be a great addition to that cute little set. Is she cute? A pin, an alien pin to go with my Hakuna Matata shirt pad. Very cool. I love pins. Oh, this is very pretty. I'm actually not a fan of scarves, only because I live in Texas and I don't wear scarves because it's too, I don't want to swear here, hot. But I do love this. It is beautiful, and in fact, it might even be big enough to wear as a shawl. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Beautiful fabric, great size. I will use that as a shawl on my Disney cruise. We're going to Hawaii in May. So I love it. That is perfect. And that is $21.95. Next up, last thing in the box, looks like a Pumba. That's adorable. So this is a Pumba cosmetic case. He will live in my craft room. That is so adorable. So he just holds a little bit, not very much, but he's super cute, about the size of a softball. Lion King. Lion King. Okay, and then the famous silver pouch has a Loungefly Wallet in it. This is an adorable, completely adorable wallet with Marie. I know the perfect person to send this to. And it is a wallet, but it's huge, so it might even be better off as a clutch type purse. Wonder if my cell phone would fit. Probably not, because I have a big cell phone. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. Closes with ease. I say that until I get to the end. So super cool. Little big wallet, little clutch. Loungefly. It's got all the little cards. It's got money. And it's very adorable. So there you have it. My August magic at your door. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. I have to say, obviously, the mug is my absolute favorite. But this little Pumba, I don't know what I'm gonna use him for, but he may just sit on the shelf. But he is adorable. I love his little afro. Just love everything about him. So thanks for watching my YouTube and joining my Magic at Your Door unboxing for the month of August. Thank you.